In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can name all the 3D shapes that are currently listed on screen. Starting with the example in the top left-hand corner, this is a cube. A cube is made up of 6 square faces. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. The next shape is a cuboid. It has a rectangular cross-section, and opposite faces are exactly the same. The next shape is a cylinder. This has a circular cross-section that goes through the entire shape. Cubes and cuboids are examples of prisms, and on the far right hand side we've got an example of a triangular prism. A prism is a three-dimensional shape that has two identical shapes facing each other. The shape in the lower left is a pyramid, but pyramids are defined by the shape that is on the base, so this is a square-based pyramid. The next shape would be a circular-based pyramid, except it's also got an alternative name, which is cone. The next shape is a cone, except it's had the top section removed. This is called a frustum. And finally, the last shape is a sphere.